All right. Good day to everybody. So today, it's a privilege for me to have this online lecture for, uh, especially for all vloggers na na-invite namin dito. Okay. This is a lecture about Pandarticles website. So yung pandarticles.com/yt. Okay. So I want just to make this lecture short para mas maintindihan and I want to it more clear para mag ano. So any questions you just siguro after the lecture we can go on with your questions. Okay? So anyway, siguro I'm targeting this mga 15 minutes lang for this part only. Then another probably 15 minutes for the second part and gagawin natin yung kung paano tayo magtuturo na paano natin gagawin yung Pandarticles. Okay. What is Pandarticles? Pandarticles is a site already, a 1 year site already. It is a website that is from the root word panda and articles. They say it's a panda because it's a lots of articles or um, it's like a panda, masyado siyang malaki. Malaki. Okay? So, ganun kadami kasi articles. Pero, it is organized articles. Actually, Pandarticles is a shortened URL to be exact. Kaya mas marami siyang uh, articles. To know more about Pandarticles, okay? Pandarticles is a completely free tool. It's a free tool for everybody where you can create short links. Each part of being free, you get paid, and now you can make money from home and when managing and protecting your links. Okay, just a short description on this. So, isa siyang shortened URL, yung mahabang URL natin, for example, yung very long .com URL mo, pwede natin siya paigsiin. Actually, kung pamilya kayo sa Bitly, Googly, yan. So, para siyang ganun. Ang twist lang dito, if you using this shortened links at sinishare ninyo sa vlog nyo, sinashare nyo sa vlog and blog. Ayun, to be honest, yun. Yung dalawang way how to share your links. Okay? You will earn from it kasi it was a program to shows a little advertising from them kasi yung monetization nila. Then, tayo rin, syempre, magbe-benefits doon. Okay? So, nakuha? Mamaya i-ano natin yung mga nakakita ko ng mga questions. Okay? Okay, Pandarticles is also, if you're familiar with, dati meron lumabas na yung URLNX o yung tawag nila your links, shrink 8, yan yung mga kilalang shortened URL na very legit dito sa that marami talagang nag-benefits doon. Okay? So, just like them, this is a new version of shortened URL. Okay? Pandarticles is also a shortened URL. Okay? How to create Pandarticles, how to become Pandarticles, how to earn Pandarticles, yun yung number 1 na tanong. 3 steps lang. Una, create your account. Okay? Create your account, create a link, then post it. For every time people visit your links or visit your click your links, okay, you can now earn money. Okay, another good thing in features ni Pandarticles, it has a referral bonus. Okay, 20% ng referral bonus ang ma-earn natin. Paano ito? Paano? I just want to make it sige, yung isa muna. It has a highest rates right now sa shortened links. Highest siya dito sa Pilipinas. And by the way, Pandarticles is a Philippine-based platform. Okay? So, pang-Pilipinas siya. So, ang mga member dito, mga Pilipino. So, meron mga foreigner, pero I think hindi naman sila kasali. Kasi, wala silang payment system. Hindi bagay sa kanila. So, for Pilipino talaga to. That's good news. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka-unique sa kanya, nilagyan ko ng kulay red. It has an API technology. Ibig sabihin, if you have your own website and you want to link Pandarticles on it, okay? Hindi mo na kailangan i-create na lahat ng links mo. You can put the API and automatic lahat ng links mo doon, lahat ng i-click mo doon, magiging Pandarticles link. So, mataas yung chance na mag-click. Okay? Ito yung unique, kaya ako binigyan ng red kasi ito yung focus natin, how we will earn Pandarticles. Okay? So, sabi ko nga, di ba, pag-usapan natin yung referral links. Okay? So, gamit tayong ballpen. 20%, sabi, 20% ng is from the referral bonus. Paano nangyayari yan? Halimbawa, ikaw ito, ikaw yan. So, meron kang mga referrals na nag-join under your referral name. Okay? At kumikita ng $10 lahat ng referrals mo. $10. Automatic, kikita sila, hindi sila mababawasan. Pero may makukuha ka sa kanilang $2. So, imaginein mo, halimbawa, like you guys, mga in-invite namin, mga may-ari ng YouTube channel, most of you, meron average of you, meron 1,000 subscriber. So, kung meron kang 1,000 subscriber, okay, tapos, magjo-join sa iyo, mga nakuha mo lang mga 20%, 200 ng 20%. At kumikita sila every 3 days. Okay? Kasi ako, nung umpisa ako, every 3 days, $10 eh. No? So, kung kumikita sila every 3 days ng $10, okay? So, $10, pero 2% lang yung sa'yo dyan. So, $2 lang sa'yo. So, meron kang $400. Okay? That's $400 every 3 days. That's equivalent of 20,000 pesos every 3 days. Ganda, di ba? Yun eh, no? So, the reason, right now, panahon, we need to create money kasi we are on pandemic, we are on crisis. I think the reason I volunteer myself to lecture on this is para mas maintindihan natin. Kasi kaya talaga. Ako, believe me, wala akong referral link. Wala kasi hindi ako hindi ko pa natatry mag-referral link. Pero one time nagkaroon ako na pero hindi ko naalagaan. Pero believe me, ako mismo, I can earn $10 in 3 days. Maliit siya kung titignan mo. Pero imagine mo, kayong mga nasa YouTube channel industry or may mga vlog, if you can create a vlog and teach your referral how to do this, create a Facebook group, magtulungan kayo. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng links. Turuan mo sila maging productive. Okay? And you will earn money. And also, dahil nga meron kang siyempre gamitin mo na rin yun. Kasi aside from them, pwede kang kumita rin ng maklik-click nila yung links mo sa description page mo, di ba? Okay. So, anyway, we go to our next slide. Tapusin na natin ito mabilis. Mabilis. Okay? Okay, wait. Next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide. Okay. Next slide. Ano to? Okay, habang hinihintay natin. Yan. Okay. Next slide. Next slide. Pause. Okay. Yun. Next slide din. Okay. So, yan. Thank you doon ah. Um, where are we? Okay. Ano yung opportunity naman natin kung bakit kailangan maganda tong Pandarticles, okay? I don't want you everybody na maniwala kayo sa akin. Pero I just want na mag-base tayo sa data. Okay, this data shows na lalo ng ngayon, imagine niyo naka-pandemic, quarantine, kung gaano kadaming tao, ano kayang ginagawa ng tao? Morely, they are more on internet. Okay? Kahit ako ngayon, nasa live ngayon, di ba? We're more on internet. And look at this data. Okay? From 1992 to 2019, there is a significant increase o biglang lumaki yung potential, okay? There is a significant increase ng ano natin, di ba? Ng ating ng user natin online. Ibig sabihin, maraming gumagamit online. And this data from Statista, okay, it shows that YouTube, kayo mga YouTubers, it shows that all mobile internet has a significant, kayo yung may pinakamalaking percentage in terms of generating traffic. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi ka wala kang reference o referrals, mas mataas pa rin ang potential mong kumita gamit ang Pandarticles. Okay? Imagine mo, let's look at this. Okay? Tingnan natin. Let's look. Okay. Tingnan mo ito yung mga ibang other website or ano. Facebook, kilala. Okay? 8% lang. Okay? Pagsamahin mo tong Facebook, Instagram, sa kanila yan, wala pa rin sa YouTube yan. Okay? Pagsamahin mo, sama mo na tong Facebook video, wala pa rin. Ibig sabihin, ang laki ng potential. Pero, to be honest, lalagyan ko ng X to. Why? Yan tatlong yan, hindi pwede si Pandarticles dyan. Kasi, Facebook is not allowing shortened URLs in their platform because yung mga dating shortened URL na violate yung community policy ni Facebook. Ibig sabihin, nagiging spammy siya. Bakit nagiging spammy? Kasi most of the yung mga shortened URL na gumagamit, mostly nagiging spammy na sila. Kasi yun ang alam nilang traffic source Facebook. Marami namang kumita pero na-abuse nila yung So actually hindi yun sa pagiging spammy. Most of them pornography, most of them gambling, most of them cigarette, mga ganun. And which is sa part 2 ng lecture ko, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Gagawin natin, iiwasan natin yun para hindi tayo ma-abuse. And to be honest, meron din tayong gagawin, lalo na kung gusto mo magturo sa mga referrals mo, and hindi naman sila kasing advanced mo na gumagamit ng YouTube. Probably you can use their platform, okay? We can still use Facebook pero in different approach, okay? That's good news. Kasi yung ibang hindi tinuturo yan. Okay? That's good news. Okay? So, probably, ito kasi, medyo may limitations lang tong video. I want you to go to the next part of this series. Okay? So, kung part 1 ito, meron part 2, we will talk about, more about Pandarticles. Okay? So, ika-cut ko muna. So, see you on my next video. Okay? Thanks. See you on next video.